Hello and very welcome to our Depence² tutorial series. After you have learned how to logically connect fixtures in the Connect Fountains video, also listed in this playlist, you are now about to learn everything about the overall modularity of our Depence² fixtures. To adapt the mechanical process in Depence², you can easily combine fixtures just as you wish. Just add some fixtures and put them together via drag and drop according to their specific anchor points. For demonstration, we just pick a multi-direction fixture and place it within the 3D world. As you can see, this moving device has no nozzle connected to it. Now, head to your nozzles folder in the library and drag and drop your nozzle onto the device. Notice that potential anchor points are automatically highlighted and indicate where to put your nozzle. Thereby, Depence² offers two different modes while hovering over a fixture. You can either replace the selected fixture indicated by a red border, or attach your nozzle as an anchor object indicated by a green border and the anchor element. By releasing your mouse button, the fixture will automatically be connected. Just repeat this step to add a light you would like, as the nozzle also features a dedicated anchor point. If your fixtures are compatible, the anchor point indicates a possible connection by changing from yellow to green. Now all connected fixtures will behave accordingly when the device is moving. The same procedure is working with multiple fixtures added. Just place the fixtures and multi-select them. In this case, choose a dedicated nozzle which will be compatible to your pump and drag and drop it onto the selected group. Here, you will not need to select the same number of fixtures to make this function work properly, since the number of the placed fixtures will always be the decisive factor. Thereby, your connected fixtures will be grouped automatically, so you may easily move them around. As soon as you have established a connection, you won't need to connect the fixtures via the dependency function, as those are generated instantly.